Electric bikes are now more powerful, smarter, and built to take you anywhere, from city streets to off-road trails. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric bikes, each packed with speed, range, and performance that make them stand out. Watch closely till the end, and you'll know exactly which one is the perfect ride for you. Let's dive in. Item number 5. The URLIFE E20 electric bike is a powerful and versatile ride designed for 2 passengers. Equipped with a 1000-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 13-hour removable lithium battery, it reaches speeds of 30 to 50 kilometers per hour and covers more than 60 kilometers per charge. Its 20x 3-inch fat tires provide excellent stability and grip on all terrains, while the 7-speed system and dual-disc brakes ensure smooth and safe riding. Perfect for city commuting or weekend adventures, the E20 combines performance, comfort, and reliability in one multifunctional electric bike. Item number 4. The Cybervelo EK4 folding electric bike is a versatile e-bike designed for adventure and daily commuting. Equipped with a 1000-watt, 1500 watts peak brushless motor and a 48-volt 20.8-hour removable lithium battery, it reaches speeds over 25 mph and offers up to 80 miles of range. The 20-inch fat tires provide stability on roads, snow, beaches, and mountains, while front and rear disc brakes and shock-absorbing forks ensure safety and comfort. Foldable and portable, with a 7-speed system and pedal assist, this e-bike combines performance, convenience, and reliability for every ride. Item number 3. The EKX X21 electric bike is a premium all-terrain e-bike designed for adventure seekers. Powered by a 48-volt 2000-watt brushless motor and a 35-hour Samsung lithium battery, it reaches speeds up to 34 mph and covers 75 to 93 miles per charge. Its 24-inch tires and full front and rear suspension with 120mm travel ensure smooth rides on any terrain. Equipped with front and rear hydraulic brakes, headlight, tail warning light, and an LCD display, the X21 combines performance, safety, and comfort. Lightweight aluminum frame supports riders up to 150 kilograms, perfect for long off-road journeys. Item number 2. The Kickwey K7 electric bike is a high-performance e-bike designed for power, speed, and long-range adventures. It features a 1500-watt brushless motor with 85 Nm torque, capable of climbing 30-degree slopes and reaching speeds up to 33 mph. Equipped with a 40-volt 23-hour Samsung battery, it delivers 45 to 55 miles on pure electric mode and up to 85 miles with pedal assist. Safety and comfort are ensured with front and rear disc brakes, a hydraulic front fork, and advanced shock absorbers. The 20-inch wheels and durable frame make it perfect for both city streets and rough terrain. Item number 1. The AK2 electric bike is a powerful and versatile ride for both city streets and off-road adventures. Equipped with a 1500-watt brushless hub motor, it reaches speeds up to 35 mph and climbs slopes of 35 degrees effortlessly. Its 20x 4-inch fat tires, hydraulic front suspension, and rear spring shock absorbers ensure smooth and stable rides. The 48-volt 18-hour battery provides 50 to 75 miles of pedal assist range. Safety is enhanced with front and rear disc brakes, bright LED lights, integrated horn, and turn signals. 3 riding modes and a smart LCD display make it perfect for commuting and exploration. Which of these electric bikes is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.